Good morning students. In our last class we have covered this topic: functions, single row functions, character functions. In that set the character functions, lower functions, upper functions, concat functions, substring functions, length function, instr function, lpad function, rpad function and char function. Lower function is used to convert uppercase to lowercase. Upper function is used to convert lowercase to uppercase. Concat function is used to add two strings. Substring function is used to remove some strings, number of strings from a string. Length function is used to find the length of a string. instr function is used to search a character. lpad is used to add another character in the left hand side. rpad is a character can be inserted in the right hand side, and char function is used to convert number into a character. Today we are going to start the topic number function. Number function accept a numeric value and return a numeric value. Some of the number functions are, that means in the number functions we insert a number and the output is also comes in the numeric values. So some functions are there: round functions, truncate function, mode function, abs absolute function, that is abs function, power function, square root function, ceil function and floor function. Now number function. The first function is round function. It rounds the value to specified decimal place. That means it rounded any value. Decimal values can be rounded with the help of these functions. Function is round. You should give the value, the decimal value, and number of decimal number. How many numbers of decimal you want, you can write it here in n value. Example, see, select round 275.456 comma 2. Here there is a how many decimal number? 3 decimal number. If you put 2, it convert into how many decimal number? 2 decimal number. Now it returns 275.46. Why it is 46? Here the 556 last value is 6 more than 5. Automatically the second value should be converted into the higher value, that is called 46. Next one is the example is round 275.456 comma 0. I rounded here the 0, that means without decimal number it rounded, but here it returned 275. Why? Here after point the value of first digit is 4. If it is more than 4, that means more than 5, then it rounded as for one value up, that's C. Select round 275.656, then it returned 276. Why? Here it is the first value is 6, that is more than 5. We can use these commands with the table also. For that, select round field name from table name. Which field you want to round it, you can give that field name from the table name. Next one is truncate. The truncate function truncates the number to the specified number of decimal place. This truncate value syntax is truncate value the n. Here we can use the decimal value and how many number of decimal values you want. Suppose, for example, select truncate 245.658 comma 2, then it return 245.65, the actual value. It cannot be rounded, it display the actual value, it cannot round the value. Suppose if you give it select truncate 275.656 and you give the value 0, then it return 275 only. It cannot rounded the value, it gives the original value. Now second one, another function is mod function. It is used to find the remainder obtained after dividing the given value. That means syntax is mod, the first value m comma n. M is the original value and which value you want to divide. Suppose if you give it select mode 1550 comma 40, it divided by 40 and it returns the value 30. That means 30 is the remainder. Mode function is used to find the remainder. Another example is here. Select mode 12 comma 6. 12 is divided by 6. What is the remainder comes? The remainder comes 0. That's it, return the value 0. Suppose if you again give another example is there. Select round 15 comma 6. Again it returns 3. That means 3 is the remainder value. Next function, that is power value. It returns the power value. It is used to find the power value of the number. The first argument is raised to the power of the second value. The first argument is the number and second one is the power value. Syntax is power argument 1 comma power value. Example is there. Select power 3 comma 2. 3 power of 2. The return answer is 9. Another example, select mode 12 power of 2. That means 12 into 2, power of 2. It returns the value 144. If you want to find any power value, then what function we can use? We can use the power function. Another number function is sqrt. It is used to find the square root of the number. You cannot use square root on negative number because the square root of the negative number is undefined. That means we cannot find any negative number, square root of any negative number. The syntax is square root number. Example is there. Select square root 12. It returns the square root of 12, that is 3.464. If you select, give another example is there. Select sqrt square root of 9. It returns 3. See, I use here select square root of minus 9. It returns null. That means undefined number. So the minus value, if you find the square root of any minus value, it display null. Next one is cell function. It returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to its argument. Cell number. Actually, what happened? If you give a cell functions, it rounded the value, but it rounded the highest value. If you give it cell, example, cell, select cell 12.56. It returns 13. Another cell 9.42. Then also it returns 10. That means it returns. Cell function is used to return the value the higher than the given value. One value higher than the given value. Another function is there, floor function. It returns the smaller integer less than or equal to its argument. That means, suppose for example, syntax is floor number. Select floor 12.56. It returns only 12, not 13. It returns only 12, not more than 12 and not less than 12. It returns 12. Say example is select floor 9.2. It returns 9. Now we do it in MySQL. Suppose select round. I write it 123.456 comma 2. What it return? 143.46. Clear? If I use it select round 156 point, instead of 2 I put 0. See what happened? It returned 123. Why it is? Because here it returned 4. Suppose if I write it 123 645 like this. See what happened? When you press enter key, it returned 124. Why? After point it comes 6. Now we do it in the table also, with the help of table also. See what happened? See here select round. There is one table. Inside the table, one field name is there, amount. I put it comma 0. From the table name is called Nirmal. I press the enter key. See what happened. It rounded all the values. It rounded all the values. What is our original value? Suppose if I write it, select amount from Nirmal. This is original 45.75, 145.75. See, this is rounded the value and here it is the original value. Now we do it, select turnkit, then value 147.36, okay, comma, I write it 1. See what happened. It returned 143.3. If you use it same value, if I put it 0 instead of 1, put 0, then what it display? It display only 147. Clear? Now see, select MOD 1550, 40. It what it do? It divide the 1550 by 40. It display the remainder. See, the remainder is 30. Again you can change it. Again another number we can use it. Instead of this, I write it 125 divided by 25. Then see what it return. The remainder is 0. So like this you can easily find the remainder. Now power value. Select power value, POWER, power, argument 1, 24,4. It display the power value of 24. Again change the value. I write it 4, power of 4. It display 256. Power value of 4 by 4, 256. If I write it power value of 4 and 2, see 16. It is used to find the power value of any number. Now square root. Select SQRT of the number 45. It display the square root of 45. If change the number, square root of, I write it 12. It display the square root of 12. If I write it square root of 6, then change the value 6. Put it 6. Then press the enter key. It display the square root of 6. If you want to find the square root, you can use SQRT function. Next one is CEIL function. Select CEIL, CEIL 45.4. It return 46. Any decimal value, it display the highest value. If write it 64.4, then it display 65. Next function is floor function. Select FLOR, floor 64.4. Now see what happened. It display only 64. If you write it 164.4, then also 166.4, 45, then it display 164. In the next class we cover the date functions and group functions. Thank you.